Get excited about the 2018 GMC SIERRA 2500 HD. This four-door, five-passenger truck still has less than 80,000 miles. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, a built-in garage door transmitter, skid plates, a bed liner, and power windows. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.